Alright, so in order to move on, we need to create our model files and then start declaring our table models. But before we do that, let's now come to our PostgreSDB and then create a new database. So I'll come here, right click here, and then go to create database. I'll call this attendance um, system. I don't like, okay, let me use hyphen system. Good. I'll call this attendance system and then save it. Good. Our database is created, but it's empty. There's nothing in it. Now let's head to our VS Code once again and then create a new file. So this time we are creating a file called .env, and this is where we'll keep our environment variable um, parameters. Parameters that shouldn't be pushed to Git or shouldn't be exposed. So I'll create inside the app, I'll create .env file. Then inside the .env file, I'll declare database hyphen URL, and this is a string. So I'll put a string here, and then I have to write the path to the database URL. So let me do this and come back and show you how it is done.